Hold on, hold on. Hold on, okay. We're playing Tie 2 for the PlayStation 2. Okay, I'm sorry. Tell me now.
Now this is how he tiptoes. Okay, put it on the screen. This is how he tiptoes.
Can't really see the screen too well. But let me see if I can get closer to it. Okay, there he is. Alright, so that's Tie 2, and he's walking. Tiptoeing, sorry. Okay.
And you want to see him throw a boomerang?
Whoa. Nice.
And this changes lemon.
Oh, you can really play those games pretty dang good.
Right.
Cool. That's him biting now?
Circle is your bite.
Circle is your bite. Okay.
They're trying to pull this car up, but they're not going to do a thing. Look. You want to see? My name's Ty. Look, they're not going to pull the car up. What? Yuck.
What are you supposed to do now?
What the? My boomerangs are on fire? Oh, ouch. Ow. Yeah. That's
Nice. Your acting was superb there, Travis. Right on.
I'm going to go see how Shazza is doing.
Okay.
My girlfriend.
Oh, what's her name?
Shazza.
Shazza? Shazza. Is your girlfriend in here?
Yep. That's my girlfriend, Shazza.
Is the door opening or what's it doing?
It's open.
Oh, now it's open. Nice.
Hey Dad, you want to see this part of the video? You want to see a part of this video, Dad?
Hold on.
It's the controller. X is your gas.
X is your gas?
Yep. Let's go back here. Now I'll show you.
You know what I'm doing? I'm actually broadcasting this on a website so other people can look at this right now while it's happening. It's live, so other people are looking at you right now. Isn't that cool? Kind of weird, huh? But cool.
We're not going to make it there on time. Don't worry, Ty. I know a shortcut.
Wow, looking through this.
It's a shortcut. It is. Whoa!
Yeah, looking through this is it's making me really dizzy.
What? When do you know how to drive, Travis? I don't know.
Okay, say bye, Travis.
Bye.